Let's get straight to it. 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is the 3.6 liter engine. So today we are replacing the vapor canister purge valve, and this is what it should look like. All right, let's pull this little flap up here, and that's going to expose that 10mm bolt. Let's get that out too. Now we can lift this up and we can pull that cover off. All right, so once you get that up, right here on the side is your vapor canister purge valve. This is it right here. So you're gonna squeeze this tab here to remove this harness plug. So we can get that plug off. We need to squeeze on both sides. See this green tab here? There's another side over here. If you squeeze on both sides, then you can pull this line here off. Just like this. All right, so that's off now. Now you can just lift straight up, twist like that, and that is off of that mount right there. Just hold the vacuum line and twist this back and forth until it's loose. You hear, so you can hear it loosen there. So now just keep twisting and pulling, twist and pull, twist and pull. Just keep twisting and pulling. It's coming off. Just turn and pull. Just like that. So took a little bit of turning and pulling, but we finally got that off. And this is what the old one here looks like. You can see the keyways in here and everything. So the first thing I want to do is get this piece here on. So I'm gonna just twist and push till that is all the way on. Now this mount here, don't forget we gotta get this piece here on there. So this out of the way. Let's get that pushed down. Now this is already trying to go on, so you can see where it goes. Let's go ahead and just push that all the way on there. And the last step, of course, plug that harness in just like that. So you can see that was very simple. So this is how you change your vapor canister purge valve on this vehicle.